Once upon a time, from a far, far away kingdom. Hi guys, I'm from Jurassic Park. Well, I don't have anything to say. I guess see ya. Bye bye.